Hi, it's back. Here's the link if you want. Shoot. Hold on. Here's the link if you want it. I may paste it in the description, so looks a lot better now because I changed the polos to be darker and the background is just like the one in Sprunklings but with different colors. Let's start off with the orange. Can I get you, Warren? There we go. Some of the tables might be flying, but that's alright. Radar. Fluke. And yes, this is what I've been doing since the past days after I posted that one video about my account and Leo's account. There's Foonba. Don't mind why the text is not moving. Area, wallpaper area. Granny's next. Don't. If you know why the suns are here, then good job. It's for horror mode. I'm still designing the characters, the bonus characters. So. Here's blood. I liked the older design, so I stuck with it. Arnold has a tuft of hair under his visor. Actually, let me show you the tuft of hair here. Right there. I designed it off, I think it was the paradox, I don't remember, but I designed it off that. Sky! Animation like Small's animation. Hopefully. Shoot, why'd I do that? I did not mean to do that, guys. The sun is technically the same. Store tree. I forgot to change Simon's icon. So he still has two tufts. Not tuft, but strands. Shoot, I forgot I've not done any of this. Whatever. Here is the... Okay, here's Tunner, and then here's Malik. If you don't know who Malik is, it's the OC of Capture Blue TSY. I think I said that right. And if he looks different, that's because Capri has been giving him redesigns. So let me pull up the sprunklings. Here's the original one, which is the newest one, and then here's the oldest one, right here. And here's a sprunkling mallet, which was, I think, scrapped. It was shown in the wiki, but I don't think it's there anymore, so there's a lot of them. This was the one before the redesign, like the full redesign. Sorry if it's low quality. Oops. Yeah. It's cool. I just based off his sound from Gray and then put the robot over it because I had no idea. And one day, yeah, I did not like her song, so sorry if you don't like Malik's or Wenda's sound. I don't like Wenda's sound that much, so I switched it out. I will be only showing some characters, so I did remove the bad words from this guy.
And her circle too, told her get a friend. She gon' make me slide with my dog like I was never book smart. I'm money smart, makes me more intelligent. Call me Mr. Rock Festival. I got hella
putting makes me more intelligent. Call me Mr. Rock Festival. I got hella come on. And if you read the description, if you remove black, there's gonna be this thing. I don't know why it's here, but it's there. So let's get moving on. Designed Clucker to be less crazy, and yes, some of them are in my design. So Clucker has eye bags, Veneria's, well, Funda has nails. Veneria had her bag, like stuff. It's good. And yes, I do know OX doesn't have whatever. It's just different. By the way, when I made Sky and then put the animation, it looks like it's AI generated. I have no idea why it looks like that. Anyways. I don't know why, but it just doesn't. Sometimes the Malik in the dark Malik or whatever horror mode Malik won't even like budge to turn dark. Alright, I'm really sorry about her sound being changed and Malik's, so sorry for that. Some of the bonus characters aren't finished except for some. Yes, some of them aren't finished, except this one is almost gonna be finished. The pudding is finished. Oh, I forgot I showed you this. Yes, sorry about the Timo Malik noise. Being Mr. Sun noise. She was almost finished, but you please don't discriminate me or report this, because this was my bestest project yet, and I do not appreciate you little Timmy is like, oh no, it's too scary. Report it! And then it's... I should really put something up. Hold on. Where's the backdrop preview? Okay. There, we're done. Even though I am 11 myself, I am the creator of this, so I can check it. So, yeah, I don't want any little Timmys reporting this. I'm gonna post this now.